Hey y'all, so I'm basically gonna show you guys how to install carbon fiber overlay on your Q50. So I'll post a link down below where I got all these. As you can see, I already did these pieces here, but the cutout was a bit shitty, so but for the most part, like, the fitment's pretty on point. My bad about the flash. Anyways, yeah, like you can see, the fitment is like on par for the most part, but there's some areas, but like for the most part, it's actually pretty mint. Just down here, you can see like the cutout. It also could have been messing that up, but like on this side, the fitment's pretty mint, like all the way up. And it's like pretty good carbon fiber. It's got a nice sheen to it. It hasn't peeled or anything either. So what we're gonna do today is this piece here. Also got pieces coming in for the wood trim over there, but that's not in yet. So I'll show you what you'll need to install it. I think it applies to any Q50 really, or any car, doesn't really matter. So you'll need the solution prep, 3M solution prep right here. You can get these on Amazon. I just had some of these around my house randomly. So you're gonna use this, prep the area. I'm also gonna use a microfiber towel to clean it up a little bit on my mask cold at times. And then you'll need the 3M adhesion promoter. This is just to help the 3M backing stick to this and get a nice, like, good adhesion to it, so you don't get any peeling or anything like that. So I'm gonna clean this off, get it prepped. We'll put that on and I'll kind of walk you through it, but literally it's like you're just gonna place it on, peel a corner of this first. Also heat this up. I didn't show that part, but I already heated this up earlier. So heat this up just a little bit. And then you'll want to peel a corner, get your fitment nice, and then lay it down, and then just basically peel the backing off of it and lay it down. So I'll prep this, and then yeah, we'll get this thing installed. So like I said, you're gonna want to clean it. So I already used a microfiber towel to kind of get any loose dust or anything on it. Now you're just gonna take the solution prep and pretty much just go over this, just to make sure you have a nice, get a nice clean surface to work with all along the edges. I kind of go over it a few times, just make sure I get it really nice and clean, because like I said, like, this all helps with the adhesion promotion. So yeah, that should probably be good enough. You can let this dry if you want. I think that'd probably be best, but it doesn't really say. I think I kind of last time just wiped it down a little bit and then applied the adhesion promoter. Because I mean, like, you could let it dry, but you're gonna put the adhesion promoter anyways. So realistically, you're just putting more liquid on the surface, I guess, in a sense. So whether or not you let it dry is up to you. So yeah, adhesion promotion next. We'll let that dry out, and then onto the fun part of installing that and getting some more carbon fiber in this ugly wood trim, because I don't know why Infiniti decided to put this in the sport model. Dumbest thing they ever did. So that's what the adhesion promotion looks like. FYI, that shit smells strong as hell. So make sure you got a door open or something, because damn. And maybe gloves, because my fingers got really sticky from that for some reason. Pause. But yeah, so like, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can kind of see the sheen. Like, that's all from the adhesion promoter. No, this is the finished project. Let me close this. So as you can see, fitment was actually pretty on point. I had some creasing issues right around here. It's kind of hard to see, but like, I kind of have to push it down a little bit so it create a little bit of creasing. But other than that, like, around the, like, damn, bro, I did not think the cuts were gonna be this good. Like there's like little to like no gaps. It's like along the, I gotta clean, like be careful for your leather, guys. I learned this now, but the adhesion promoter kind of got stuck on there, so I'm gonna have to go over that with some leather conditioner, get that off. But like, yeah, like I have to kind of go over these edges again. I had some little adhesion issues here, you can see, like right there. So I'll probably have to clean that up with some roller, and then I got some more adhesion here on the corners. But like fitment, I don't know if you can see that, but like fitment with the other piece that I installed is like perfect. And like all along the silver trim, it's like literally red on the edge. So I'm super happy with it. I went over again. Don't have to, but like I kind of just like smoothened everything out with microfiber towel. And kind of just went over it again. I'm gonna have to clean it because I got like, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of naughty fingerprints on there. So clean that up. But like overall, this was it was a clean install, man. I'm super happy with it. It's starting to make the car come together, so I'm super happy with that. Like I said, door pieces are, I think, maybe about a week out, hopefully less. So I'll do a video for that when I get those. I think that's gonna be a bish to install. All four corners, I got the fronts and the rears. So I'm super scared for those. Like, I've heard horror stories about the cutouts not being good, so we'll see. And then it's just such a like awkward position, so I don't know, we'll see how fitment for that goes. But like I said, these are amazing. There was a minor fitment issues, but like I said, just take your time installing it. You probably will be okay. This was my first time doing that. Obviously, you can see from my second time I got better. So, and you can get pretty much carbon fiber for like, I think this piece. You can get it for this piece, you can get it for the vents, but I thought that was way too corny and ugly. Too much carbon fiber. I just wanted subtle, like, kind of want to get like an OEM carbon fiber look. So carbon fiber down here, up here around the GPS, and then on the doors. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much my install video. Y'all got any questions, shoot them down below. I ain't no pro at this. I honestly I haven't seen much videos like this, so I thought I'd throw one together. And then for anyone looking for carbon fiber overlays for their Q50, I think like 2015 and up, I think all Q50 models, I don't know about the 2018s, maybe because the interior differences, but mine's a 2016 Q50S Sport. And as you can see, it fits. I would say 2015 to 2017 you'll probably be okay. Maybe the facelift, so I think that's the 2018 ones and up, might be different, but it depends on the interior. So check it out. I'll try to remember to put the links below for where I got these. These are on Amazon. Like I said, I think this was Canadian. I think this was like 50 bucks. And then these were super amazing. We're on sale for $16 for both pieces on Amazon Prime. $16 Canadian. Like I said, man, for $16, you can folk stuff like $16, man. That looks pretty good. I know y'all saw the steering wheel. Don't hate on me, but yeah. Might be selling this car, so I didn't want to drop 500 bucks on a new carbon fiber steering wheel. So literally I just got myself an Alcantara cover, which I gotta say, sorry the sun's all over the place, but like Alcantara cover, and like it's super comfortable, and it's got some little grooves in here for grip. So I'm super happy with that. People might roast me, I don't really care. But yeah, anyways, you found this video helpful, man, leave a like or whatever, or don't. But yeah, if you, like I said, any comments, questions or whatever, put them down below. I'll try to help you out and answer them. But it's, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Just prep the area, lay this down, peel it backing first, and just peel it slowly. I know I didn't really show the install of it, but like literally like the backing, you just lay this piece down and then basically peel the back of it, and then just like as you go, press it down and peel slowly. Like take your time, there's no rush in this. And you're definitely gonna want to take your time, because like, I mean, if you just peel the whole thing once and lay it down, you're gonna have, like, it's gonna rise in certain areas. You're gonna have, like, this would have been pushed forward, like, yeah, you're gonna have like fitment issues. So literally lay it down flat, this corner, peel this first, and then work your way down. And as like you press it and get it to the surface, you just peel the backing, and you'll be Gucci, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So